Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a blockchain node server works in an easy step-by-step way. A blockchain node server is one of the main building blocks of a blockchain network. It helps receive transactions, verify information, share data with other nodes, and keep an updated copy of the blockchain ledger. In simple words, a node server works like a trusted participant in the network that helps the whole blockchain system run properly. First, a user sends a transaction by using a wallet app or a decentralized application. This transaction request may involve sending cryptocurrency, interacting with a smart contract, or updating data on the blockchain. Once the request is created, it is broadcast toward the blockchain network. Next, the blockchain node server receives the new transaction or block data from another connected peer node. The node acts like a communication point in the network, so it listens for incoming blockchain activity and collects the data that needs to be checked and processed. After that, the node checks the transaction carefully. It verifies the transaction format, confirms the digital signature, checks the account balance or network rules, and makes sure the transaction is valid. This step is very important because invalid or suspicious transactions should not be accepted into the blockchain. Then, if the transaction is valid, the node shares it across the network with other connected nodes. In this way, the information spreads from one node to another, allowing the whole decentralized network to become aware of the new transaction. As a result, many nodes can independently review the same data. Meanwhile, miners or validators collect valid transactions and group them together into a new block. This block creation process depends on the blockchain system being used. In some networks, miners do this work, while in others, validators perform the same role. Next, the network reaches consensus on whether the block should be accepted. This means the blockchain uses its consensus method, such as proof of work or proof of stake, to confirm that the block follows the network rules. Once consensus happens, the block is considered approved by the network. After approval, the blockchain is updated. The node server adds the accepted block to its own local copy of the blockchain ledger. Because every full node stores this history, the blockchain remains decentralized, secure, and difficult to change unfairly. Then, the node serves data to users, wallets, apps, and blockchain explorers. It can provide updated balances, transaction history, confirmation status, and other blockchain information. This is why node servers are so important for keeping blockchain applications running smoothly. Inside the node server, several important parts work together. These include the CPU for processing, storage for keeping the full ledger copy, network connections for communication, a mempool for waiting transactions, validation software for checking rules, security keys for protection, and API or RPC interfaces for serving data to external apps. Therefore, a blockchain node server is important because it keeps the network decentralized, validates transactions, stores blockchain history, and serves useful data to wallets and applications. Without node servers, a blockchain would not be able to maintain trust, transparency, and reliable operation across the network. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.